right out there, that was. Hey, guess what? We still got 10 fields left to do. That's how long this field's taking.